Yo, what is up, guys? It is Rod over here, and we are making a vlog. As you can see, it is actually raining in the time, and we are going to my sister. And eventually, I'm going to the. Oh shit, it's raining. Oh no! Yeah. As you can see, I'm actually going to the place I want to. Yeah. It's actually boring to do this, but I haven't made a vlog since weeks. So you can see, I didn't answer. I don't know. I mean, I just have to. You have to just keep forward, and yeah. It's actually raining, so I don't fucking care if I get wet as fuck. But it is raining. So y'all can shut up. Woo! Well, I was running a bit. So yeah. Oh, my stomach. I think I got stomachache for some reason. I don't know. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'll see y'all next time.